Hey everyone, my name is Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to be frying chicken. Frying chicken is very easy. I'm just fixing one chicken breast, but I'm going to cut it in like 3 pieces for our supper. And I shouldn't have grabbed this, but not with my hands in the chicken, but Everglades seasoning is what I use. You can get this online. It's very good. And we also have some flour, self-rising flour, to roll our chicken in. And we have some vegetable oil getting hot on the stove in a skillet. And what I've already done, I've already sliced all the fat and stuff off of my chicken breast. And I'm just gonna cut this chicken breast into thirds because I don't like it real thick like this. I like to cut it to where it's thinner. Okay. Now that I have washed this, I'm gonna sprinkle some of the Everglades seasoning. There it is. On each piece of the chicken. You can use whatever kind of seasoning that you want. I have used just salt and pepper and, wash my hand off here. Salt and pepper and garlic powder. And just sprinkle those. And then we're gonna bring them over here and roll them in our flour. Make sure that it's covered. And then set it to the side and get another piece and just do it the same way. I have poured vegetable oil in this skillet, and you just knead it to where it covers the bottom of the skillet. Get that hot on high heat, and then we're going to shake off the excess flour and lay our chicken in it. And then once we get our chicken laid in it, we're going to turn the heat down to medium. Anytime that you handle chicken, you need to use something like a Clorox all-purpose cleaner that has bleach in it. Be sure to spray it out and spray your surface that you've been working in, and make sure you get it good and clean because that can cause some bad stuff. So just be sure to clean your sink and everything, and be sure to, I shouldn't have grabbed the Everglades seasoning bottle with my hands after I'd handled the chicken, but I did. So I'm going to wash that up too. Now as you can see, the chicken is getting brown, or solid looking, around the edges, and I like to take my little dripper here and just get a hold of it and flip it over. And you see how it's already starting to brown. Isn't that pretty? And then we'll just let it do its thing on the other side and let it brown. And I'll flip this 2 or 3 more times probably before it's actually done. And you want to make sure that if you want to stick it, if you don't trust it, if you don't trust the process of frying, you can take a knife. Let me get one here. And you can do this and poke holes in it. And when your juice runs clear and is not bloody, then that means your chicken is done after it's nice and brown. And that same rule applies for if you're fixing bone-in chicken. You can poke the knife in there, and after you've turned it, several times, get it brown on each side, then when the juices run clear, then your chicken is done. Another tip I can give you, when you're putting your chicken in the skillet, be sure that your grease is not too hot, because your chicken will be done on the outside and will be raw on the inside. It'll be too brown on the outside, so just keep that in mind. Okay, y'all, we're at the end here of browning our chicken. As you can see, it is just gorgeous. Let it brown on that side a little bit, and then I'll take it up. Our chicken is nice and brown, and it's time to take up out of the skillet. Just be careful and don't get burned when you do this. Kind of drain the grease off of it a little bit, and you can just put it in whatever plate or container you want to. And that's how you fry chicken. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon.